Hi everyone, welcome back to our exploration of the England Rare Disease Action Plan, Priority Area 1. For those of you who haven't had an opportunity to watch our previous videos, Priority Area 1 is focused on people living with rare disorders get a final diagnosis faster. So far this week we have explored Actions 1 to 3, which is focused on newborn screening and whole genome testing, and today we are going to explore Action 4, which is the continuation to develop the Genomics England Clinical Research Interface. Quite a lot of words, but what do they actually mean? So the Genomics England Clinical Research Interface is effectively a workspace which is accessed by researchers and healthcare professionals, and it contains the most up-to-date information on rare disorders. So it'll contain information on our genomes, our hospital episode statistics, and a whole host of information that can be used to help researchers and scientists understand our disorders, but also understand and develop cures for our disorders or treatments for our disorders. So why does it matter to people living with inherited metabolic disorders? Much like a lot of the kind of activities within the action plan, a lot of this work will go on behind the scenes and is not communicated to the general public. However, the research that's gathered is vitally important as it helps researchers understand our condition, as previously mentioned, but it also helps build a really clear picture of the geographical locations of patients, so where you may live, demographics, and any useful information that can help not only just understand the disorder, but also about the impact of the disorder on the person's life. And by collating this information and ensuring this information is up to date, healthcare professionals, researchers, and even organisations such as MSUK can hope to see an improvement in kind of care pathways and the care you receive, as we can use this data to continually assess and inform the pathways you access, but also highlight where improvements are needed. Again, this has been quite a short and sweet session on the Genomics England Clinical Research Interface. A lot of it goes on behind the scenes, so we're not going to spend too much time dwelling on this particular action and Priority Area 1. Tomorrow we will conclude our Priority 1 discussions looking at Action 5, which is a focus on support for those with undiagnosed rare conditions. And then that will be the end of Priority Area 1, and next week we will begin to look at Priority Area 2. I hope you've enjoyed this session. I encourage you to reach out to me if you have any questions, if you'd like to discuss any of these actions or the priority areas further with me. I'm always open to discussions and conversations with members of our community.